This is a Mining Interactive video production.
This is mininginteractive.com. I'm your host, Denise Poole, and right now we are speaking with Huster. How are you?
Hi, I'm fine. Thank you.
Thank you for being here. Yes,
yeah.
You too. Now, he publishes the Gold Report, and we want to get right into the questions. So I'm going to ask you right away. We saw a very strong increase in precious metals prices over the last few weeks. How is the situation in Europe referring the gold and silver prices?
Yes, the precious metal had a really good run over the last few weeks and months, and especially gold. And the special situation we are having now in Europe is a strong physical demand, and some of the coins and bullion dealers have really problems to satisfy the rising demand at the moment.
Now, in the last few years, a lot of mining companies went to Germany and listed their stocks on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange as well. How is the market for resource companies at this time?
Yes, you're absolutely right. Up to now, we have around about 1,000 mining stocks are listed in Germany. And we had some really good success over the last few years. And we had a lot of success stories out from Germany. And the German retail investors were very strong invested in it. And at the moment, the volume is coming down a little bit. And the people are a little bit afraid about the US prime crisis and all that stuff. And that's why the volume went down.
Now, as I mentioned before, you are the chief editor of the German newsletter, The Gold Report.
Yeah.
Please give us a short overview on exactly what that's about.
Yeah, the Gold Report is a newsletter for resource stocks, and it's mainly for the German-speaking people, and we have subscribers out from Germany, Austria, and Switzerland. And what we are doing, we are looking mostly to mining stocks, mostly of the junior sector, and looking after their stories and writing them up in Germany then.
Now, although gold and silver did go up, a lot of the juniors are traded far below their highs. Do you have an idea why they're not picking up again with the strong prices for precious metals?
I think a lot of the investors are getting frustrated. We had a very weak summertime, and at the year's end, we had the tax loss sellers here in Canada, and that pushed the stocks down again. And the people are getting scared about the US prime crisis I mentioned before and all this stuff. But I think the market will picking up again in the next few weeks or months, and we will see a strong comeback from the whole junior sector, I think. Yeah.
Great. Now, last but not least, because you're a newsletter writer, I have to ask you this question. What are your top picks for the next few months?
To be honest, at these price levels, a lot of shares are very interesting at the moment. I especially like the silver sector very much. And from the producing companies, I like US Silver. I think it's the first pick you must have in your portfolio. And if you like a real junior play, I would suggest to take a look at Orex Minerals or Yale Resources.
Well, thank you very much, Hannes, for being here and speaking with us today.
Thank you for the interview. Pleasure.
Thank you. To read the Gold Report or to subscribe to the newsletter, do visit their website at www.dergoldreport.de. For mininginteractive.com, I'm Denise Poole.